Hi, I'm Mary with Green Acres Nursery and Supply. We're here at our Citrus Heights location and we are celebrating our National Indoor Plant Week. So let's go on down to the greenhouse. Here we are. We're going to start over here. This is where we keep a lot of our pottery, the more decorative ones. We have them all along this wall right here. This is where we keep our begonias and our terrariums at the moment. This one right here is one of my favorites at the moment. This is the Begonia Drakeii. These guys are really cool because their base gets really plump and bulbous and it makes them really good bonsai plants. Right here is where we keep our orchids. We have a lot of white ones right now, but we're working on getting in more color. This is the Calathea table. Most of these are Calatheas. They are in the same family as our prayer plants down here. These guys are super cool because they have such variety among each different type. They're all in the same family. They're all pet friendly, which is really cool. And our ferns, another pet friendly. All of these also have so much variety between them. And here we have some of our big plants. On this wall, majority of them are kind of on the other one. Here we have a couple dracaenas. These cool palms. These guys like to stay pretty moist. This is our hanging plant wall. It stretches all the way down. I'm going to try and keep a bunch of stuff over here. Lots of pothos. These guys are really easy beginner plants. They're really easy to take care of. They don't require a whole lot of water, and the best part about these guys is they are very vocal, so they'll let you know when they want water. Their leaves will feel a bit thin and they'll kind of curl in a bit. This table is more thirstier plants kind of. We have all of our crotons here. These guys, super cool fall colors. We're planning on getting more of those in pretty soon here. This is where we keep our peace lilies and some smaller palms that we have. Another pretty thirsty plant. These are a household classic. These are our Monsteras. Really, really cool plants. One of my absolute favorites. I love how they get these really nice fenestrations. The more mature that they get. We have these guys, all different sizes, all really, really cute. And then this would be the wall where we keep the majority of our bigger plants. Lots of dracaenas here, lots of ficus, even more palms, and more monsteras. Here we like to keep our aglaonemas and our peperomias. Another plant that has such a wide variety between two different types. All related, all really cool. This is our Chochlora and ZZ table. Here we have our ficus table. Really cool, guys. This is Altissima. We have some ficus Audrey here. Down here we have our Hoyas. We always try and have a bit of these guys, and we try and keep different varieties of them. These guys are really cool, also called wax plant. These guys are pet safe. Sansevieras. These guys are really, really easy beginner plants. They can probably take the least amount of sunlight out of all of the plants in the room. They don't require a whole bunch of water, and that makes them really, really easy. More dracaenas. This is where we try and keep some of our more exotic or rare plants that we don't get all the time. Here we have a desert rose that's actually about to bloom. And then we have our micans. We had a bunch more, but like I said, these guys are more rare, so they are selling down really fast. Here we have some sea turtles as well. This is the Calathea table. Super cool plants. They don't have roots, but if they are in a humid enough environment, they throw out these cool little grabbers, little fiber attachments that kind of just grab onto whatever surface they're currently sitting on. So this is where we keep our 2-inchers and our 4-inchers. Plants are really nice because most of them are pretty small and they fit perfectly in our terrariums. This is a little specialty at Citrus Heights where we keep our terrarium stuff in our greenhouse. Well, thanks for joining us and hope to see you soon.